Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a box of goodies here to test out, try on, get ready with you guys. Most of this is a boxy pop-up order with an exception of this blush here, which if you didn't see my Winky Luxe video, I will link it right here. And in that video, I did mention that I would be using this cream flower blush in an upcoming Get Ready With Me video. It's so pretty. I'm going to be using it today. So I got a few things I'm going to talk about first that I got in the boxy pop-up. This Glow 24 karat Express non-surgical face cream. Okay, let me know if you guys want to see a full-on video of this, because I used it today and I gotta tell ya, I was blown away. It really does give you a facelift without the needles. Botox in a cream form. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and then once it wears off and I get my wrinkles back, I will do a full, let you guys see it work right before your very eyes. Next up, I also won't be using this today because it's just the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. I was all out of my clay masks, so I figured boxy pop-up was the best way to do that. Okay, first thing I'm gonna be actually trying on camera. It is the Elemis Pro Collagen Instant Smooth Primer. Line and pore smoothing primer for fine lines, wrinkles, and even complexion. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it's a big bottle of it. Sometimes you get some and they're like small. This is what the bottle looks like. Give it a bit of a shake here. Oh, I thought it was gonna be squeezy, but it's not. It comes in a pump. That's nice. I like pumps. Gotta prime the pump here because I haven't used it yet. Comes out as like a white cream. Let's zoom you in and start putting this just all over. Oh, it smells good. It doesn't feel really tacky or anything. It feels like a nice, refreshing cream. Primer, I guess. It's not a cream, it's a primer. I'm just gonna pat that into my skin. Oh, I like that. It definitely helped to blur in some of my pores. And it feels cold. It's kind of got like a tingling sensation to the skin. Not like overwhelming bad, but kind of what you would get with like the minty, you know? But it doesn't smell minty. I like that primer. I'm gonna be using this one some more. The next thing I did pick up, I have used this a couple years ago. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I bought a bottle of this when it first came out. I haven't used it since. I remember liking it. I got mine in the shade 150. I hope it is my shade. I figured I'd pick this up because I'm kind of in between all of my foundation shades right now. So I'm hoping this one will match. I'm not tanned, but I'm not super white either. I'm just not matching any of my foundations. This is what the bottle looks like. Comes in a nice frosted glass. You get 1.08 fluid ounces. Going to I hope that's not too light. Well, let's just start putting it on, I guess. The only way to find out. I am using my Kaleidos cosmetic sponge. I got a couple of their sponges and I really like them. Let's see. Oh yay, I think that color might work. Two pumps wasn't quite enough. I mean, I just barely stretched two pumps out across my entire face. Just under looking at the first layer, it actually looks quite nice. I don't remember much about using this foundation when it first came out. I'm going to try to build it up a little bit and see how that does. I think this color is perfect for me, so I'm happy about that. Let's build it a bit. I always bring my foundation down my neck, just so there's no weird funky lines anywhere. All right, I think that it built up on itself quite nicely. It has a nice coverage. It's not super full coverage, as you can see. You can still see freckles and things coming through, but my skin looks flawless. It looks natural. I am happy I decided to grab that foundation, especially from pop-up when it was like a fraction of the price. Okay, so before I set my face with powder, I do have some cream products here. The first one is the Milk Makeup. This is the matte bronzer stick in Blaze. So I'm gonna try this out to contour with, and then I have this blush that I'm gonna use. But I did also pick up the Ciate London Miss Piggy collection blush. This is also a cream blush palette. I'm not gonna use this one today because I do really wanna try out the Winky Lux one. Oh, that is adorable. I love Miss Piggy. And it's got the names of the shades on the back right here. Ooh, it has a nice size mirror. Those are the shades. Those look so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just barely touched that one and it's pigmented. We are gonna save this for another video because we're gonna be using the flower one. But first we're gonna start off with some bronzer. I have been trying to get more into cream products. I'm not the best at applying them, so please bear with me. I'll do a couple lines. Just in the, where you would normally contour. A little bit the jawline. We're gonna start with this. I don't want to go overboard, and yeah. Ooh, actually that blended in quite nice. I gotta say, it's blending quite nicely. I might have put a little bit too much right there. Let's try to blend that out. I think I might have made it a little dark in spots. Not to worry though, we're just gonna take our foundation sponge and take whatever was left on it and pat it in until it blends out a little better. There. That actually looks really nice. It gave a nice bronze look to the skin. Cool. I like that more than I initially thought I was going to. Maybe I'll become a fan of cream products after all. Now we're diving into this blush. Mine is in the shade Brilliant. Again, it's from Winky Lux. It is their Cheeky Rose Cream Blush. This is what, it's so beautiful. I almost like, it's killing me to, I don't want to wreck the flower, but let's get some on the brush. So just patting it in. I just want to tap it on the back of my hand first. Just kind of see how, I don't want a ton of product all on my cheek here all at once. So we're just gonna lightly. Oh, actually, that's nice. A little bit more for the other side. Tap the excess off on my hand. Okay, same thing that I did with the bronzer. I'm just gonna take my sponge now and pat over it. I think it just kind of blends the edges a little more seamlessly. Ooh, I like that. I don't know if the camera's really picking it up. I can see it a lot better in person. It leaves a beautiful flush to the skin. I like it. To set my face, I'm just gonna go in with my Hourglass Veil powder. And this is my IT Cosmetics, what is this, number 8 Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush. And I'm just going to buff this into my skin. I just dropped my powder and it dumped all over my leg. Let's get some more out into it now, I guess. This powder buffs into the skin so nicely. I'm just going to take this Marc Jacobs, what is this? 102 Tantric Omega Bronze. And I just want to put a little bit of that over my cream bronzer. Not much. A little bit down my nose. Because I didn't do cream bronzer down my nose. That scared me. I've been loving this bronzer. I got it recently and been loving it. Well guys, so far so good. Next up, I have this cranberry palette from Natasha Denona. I have a few of her palettes, but her bigger palettes. I don't have any of her little ones here. Ooh, that looks pretty. It's got some weight to it. The shades look really pretty. You know, like a purple and pinks, orange, gold. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, but we're gonna throw some on. All right guys, so I don't know if this is my day or not, but I looked up and I realized my little red filming light wasn't on. I don't know where I got to. I don't know if you guys seen any of the eye look. We're just gonna say that we used the Natasha Denona cranberry palette, and as I noticed that my light wasn't on, I dropped the palette. The pans fell out. This one broke. Not having a good day. Anyways, we're going to finish this look. I'm going to go in with that first pinky red shade. I'm going to use this underneath my lower lash line. One little dip was enough to do both eyes. I'm liking how this is looking so far. I don't have any new mascara or eyeliner, so we're just gonna quickly do a... All right, eyes are finished. For eyeliner, I just used the Too Faced Better in Sex waterproof liner. On the bottom, I used ColourPop in Loverboy. And for mascara, I used the Beetlejuice Melt Cosmetics mascara. To set my face, I have a very special product to talk about. It is the, I'm not sure, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correct, it is the Mauve Energizing Face Mist. This is what the bottle looks like. A friend of mine, very dear friend of mine, makes these and a ton of other amazing products. She did give this to me to try out, and I want to review it for you guys. I will link her Facebook page in the description box below. So if you want to check her out and her products out, definitely go do that. I'm going to give it a bit of a shake here. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, let's do this. It smells citrusy, kind of like oranges. Really like this stuff. It makes my skin feel energized. It awakens me. Thank you, Miss Andrea at Mauve Beauty, for sending that over. All right, guys, I think that's everything. I have finished this look off with some of this Neapolitan ice cream gloss from Winky Lux, because I don't have a new lipstick to put on. And my lips are so dry, I need some gloss. Anyways, this is the look. That foundation is holding up really, really nice. I'm getting no creasing in my forehead, which that could be because of that first product I talked about. Yay, I like how it looks. All right, guys, let's zoom you out a little bit. Thanks for sticking around to the very end. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more. Don't forget to go hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and hit the little bell if you want to be notified of upcoming videos. And yes, please let me know if you guys want to see a full review on that first facelift cream. If enough people want to see it, I'll do one. If not, I might do it anyway. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.